It's Chef Kathy Matthew, and today we're going to be making whipped cream. So let's get started. You're going to need a whole pan of evaporated milk, and you're going to need 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. That is your ingredient. So I already put the evaporated milk in. I put about half a can, but I wasn't sure how much to put. And so now we're going to take our 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Okay, so now that I have my ingredients in, I'm going to take a hand mixer and I'm going to mix for about 4 minutes. Okay, so this is what my whipped cream looks like. If it has all these bubbles, you know that it's probably thick enough. I whipped mine a little bit longer than 4 minutes, more like 10 minutes. I think it helps if you leave your evaporated milk in the fridge for 24 hours or put it in the freezer for 30 minutes. Yeah, that will help a lot, but I missed that step, so whipping it for 10 minutes will make it look like this. And it should be pretty good. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was very helpful to you. Let me know in the comments if you have any hacks or ideas for this to make it better. Bye!